Alright, today I'm in Greer at our office. I've got a 2016 Chevy Silverado. It's a Z71 four-wheel drive. Sorry about the shadows. Got good tires on it. The mileage is just shy of 95,000. Got a bed liner. There's your Reese hitch. It's got the little step-ups. Old people like me to get in. It's 4 doors. That center console will fold up so you'll have a bench seat. You want to take you, I believe they call it SO, out for a ride. They can sit by you. It's the back seat. Hardly even looks like it's ever been sat in. It's rubber floor mats. I could probably walk around it and see some more stuff, but that's what I'm gonna say today. Pretty good looking truck. Looking for one less than 100,000. It's a bankruptcy case, so there's no buyer premium in this auction. Whatever you bid's what you pay. Pay your sales tax at the highway department. All right, give us a call if you got questions. 864-268-4399.